5 NASDAQ stocks, all trading under $1.15 right now in June 2026. All with stories that almost nobody in the retail investing world is talking about. I verified every single one before writing a word. Prices, clinical data, revenues, analyst targets, all confirmed. No company name, no ticker symbol. Not until the full story is finished first. Because what matters is not the ticker, it is whether you actually understand the business behind it. Stay with me, because number 1 on this list has an analyst price target representing over 2,000% upside from where it sits today. That is not an exaggeration. That is what the analysts who cover this company have in their models right now. Let us start with stock number 5. So stock number 5, Las Vegas 2011. A group of gaming veterans ask one question nobody had asked before. What if the rewards in a mobile game were actually real, not fake coins, not digital badges? Real hotel stays, show tickets, and dining experiences at actual venues. They build the technology, sign deals with major resort and entertainment brands, and create a gaming loyalty ecosystem that had never existed before. Players earn points in their mobile games and redeem them for real-world luxury. Social casino titles, card games, solitaire, Tetris, all powered by the same loyalty engine. The company goes public on NASDAQ in 2021. Annual revenue reaches $235 million in 2025. Gross margin is 75.6%, exceptional for any gaming company. Positive free cash flow of $26 million, completely debt-free. The company holds more cash than its total market cap. In November 2025, the stock fell below $1 and received a NASDAQ compliance notice. The company was transferred to the NASDAQ capital market tier to buy more time. 2 analysts carry a buy rating. The average price target is $3. The current price is near 44 cents. That is a company generating $235 million in revenue, trading at a valuation smaller than its own cash balance. Ticker MYPS. Play Studios Inc., listed on NASDAQ. Stock number 4, a biotech in New York building a stem cell therapy for one of the most common debilitating conditions in the world. Their phase 2 trial data just turned heads. Keep watching. So stock number 4. Tens of millions of Americans live with chronic lumbar disc disease. The discs break down, compress, crack, and the pain radiates down the leg for years. Traditional treatments manage symptoms. Surgery helps some but not all. Nobody had found a way to repair the disc itself until one company in New York set out to try. Founded in 2008, they built a therapy called BRTX 100, using stem cells from the patient's own bone marrow, cultivated in a low-oxygen environment that mimics the disc, and injected directly into the damaged tissue. In their completed Phase 2 trial, 52% of evaluable patients achieved at least 50% improvement in both pain and function at 52 weeks. In May 2026, a Miami activist hedge fund called Chaos Capital filed with the SEC, disclosing a 4.9% stake, a strong signal that outside investors see value the market is missing. Fresh data was presented at the International Society for Cell and Gene Therapy annual meeting in Dublin in May 2026. The company is also building a commercial biocosmeceutical product line as a near-term revenue bridge. Roth Capital maintains a buy rating. The average analyst price target is $8, current price near 34 cents. Ticker BRTX, Biorestorative Therapies Inc., listed on NASDAQ. Stock number 3 built a machine that reads the complete structural architecture of the human genome at the molecule level, something no other technology could do before it. Used in cancer research and rare disease labs worldwide, near its all-time low. Here is why that matters. So stock number 3. Standard DNA sequencing reads the letters of the genome very well, but it misses something entirely: large structural variations, sections of chromosomes that are rearranged, duplicated, or deleted across hundreds of thousands of base pairs. Changes directly linked to cancer, rare diseases, and genetic disorders. A scientist named Han Xiao founded a company in San Diego in 2003 to solve this. They built the Sophia system, a platform that stretches individual DNA molecules across nanochannel arrays and images them at the molecule level, producing a structural map of the complete genome that standard sequencing cannot generate. Cancer research centers, hospitals, and genetic labs worldwide use their technology. At a major genetics conference in June 2026, study presentations using their platform grew 67% year over year, a sign that scientists worldwide are adopting this technology at an accelerating rate. Q1 2026 revenue beat analyst estimates, and the following quarter is expected to grow further. H.C. Wainwright maintains a buy rating. The stock hit its all-time low of $1.06 in February 2026 and currently trades near $1.15. Ticker BNGO. Bionano Genomics Inc., listed on NASDAQ. Stock number 2 is fighting one of the most dangerous blood cancers using a peptide that trains your immune system to destroy leukemia cells. Merck is a partner, over $100 million in cash, and weeks away from a pivotal Phase 3 final analysis. This is the most time-sensitive stock on this list. So stock number 2, acute myeloid leukemia, is brutal. Even patients who achieve a second remission almost always relapse again. A company founded in New York in 2012 developed a peptide immunotherapy called galim-pepimut-S, or GPS, tiny fragments of a protein found on leukemia cell surfaces used to train T cells to recognize and destroy those cells. Like a wanted poster delivered directly to the immune system, their pivotal Phase 3 trial Red Gull reached 78 of the required 80 clinical events as of May 11, 2026. The final analysis was weeks away from triggering. The stock jumped 25% in a single day on that update alone. The company collaborates with Merck across 5 cancer types, holds $107 million in cash as of March 2026, and raised additional capital through $51.6 million in warrant exercises. A $150 million at-the-market equity program has also been established. Maxim Group has a $10 price target. The 52-week low was $1.39, ticker SLS. SLS Life Sciences Group Inc., listed on NASDAQ. And now stock number 1. The same company as number 4, but a completely different program, different disease, different patient population. 2 independent platforms, 1 stock at 34 cents, 1 analyst target of $8. Here is that second story. So stock number 1. Most people know white fat, the kind that stores energy. Very few know that brown fat, or brown adipose tissue, does the opposite. It burns energy. It generates heat. Scientists have believed for decades it could be harnessed against obesity and metabolic disease. The same New York Biotech behind the back pain therapy has a completely separate platform called ThermoStem, using brown adipose-derived stem cells to generate functional brown fat in patients with obesity and type 2 diabetes. Instead of suppressing appetite, this approach rebuilds the body's own energy-burning machinery. In 2026, the company launched a commercial biocosmeceutical product line, partnered with a physician network for independent clinical validation, and completed a key manufacturing milestone. Chaos Capital holds 4.9%. Roth Capital has an $8 price target. The stock is at 34 cents. 2 platforms, 2 completely different diseases. 1 ticker at 34 cents. Ticker BRTX. Biorestorative Therapies Inc., listed on NASDAQ. 5 NASDAQ stories almost nobody is covering. Play Studios Gaming Loyalty Empire, $235 million in revenue, debt-free at 44 cents. Biorestorative Therapies, Phase 2 complete for disc regeneration, activist fund at 4.9%, analyst target $8 at 34 cents. Bionano Genomics, structural genome mapping technology growing 67% in scientific adoption, near its all-time low. SLS Life Sciences, pivotal Phase 3 leukemia trial days from final analysis with Merck as partner. And Biorestorative again, because 2 platforms, 2 diseases, 1 analyst target, 23 times the current price earns 2 spots. All extreme risk. Read the data, check the filings. Talk to a financial advisor first. New video every week on stocks nobody else is covering. Subscribe and hit the bell. Hit like if this was valuable. And comment below, which one had you never heard of, and which are you researching first. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. These stocks carry extreme risk and you could lose all your money. Always consult a qualified financial professional before investing. Past performance does not guarantee future results.